Now is where the crazy looking formulas come. You see how they look? It's tough. It took me a lot of time to set it up, but don't worry, because if you go to the description of the video, you'll actually get a file, this one right here, with the formulas already set up. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you have to change to make it work for you. But first, let me tell you what we're getting so you really understand it. What we're first going to get is stuff related to the DR, the SEO strength of the website. So what we want to know is, out of all the DRs that appear right here, what is the minimum one? What is the one with the less amount of DR? You can see here is 0, so the formula added 0. And then it's just simple as getting the max. We want to know the minimum and the maximum DR. Again, you can see it's 95, so it gets that for you. And then the average, as well as actually seeing the DRs themselves. And then it's just all the time the same, but instead of the DR, the minimum traffic, maximum average, all the traffic. So from this traffic column, the same with the keywords. There it is, minimum, maximum, average, all the keywords, boom. And then the same with domains, minimum, average, max, and then all the domains. As well as this sort of funny, quick thing, which is, does it contain an AI overview or not? Why do we get that? It's kind of nice actually. Before you create a page, you can know if there's an AI overview for it. And again, we're getting the data from Ahrefs right here because it lets us know if there is an AI overview or not, basically. So to get it is very simple. The formulas are already set up. I'm not really going to explain what they do because it's just boring basically. But all you have to do is this file that you see here, which is the same for all of them. Okay, so if I was to click in this one right here, the file is the same, okay? You have to change it, so it's like a one-time thing, it might take you 5 minutes. Delete it and change it for the URL of the file, that initial file you got when you exported from Ahrefs, okay? So remember when I did this and I press export, because I chose Google Sheets. In 3, 2, 1, let's see, it should create a file. There it is, opening Google Sheets, and this is the master magical URL. Don't lose it. No, make sure no one steals it, because this URL is going to make everything work. So all you have to do is in this first row, it should be already there, and then you will add all your clusters below. As you can see, it's in the first row. So once you add all the rows, you just can scroll down and it will actually find it for you. It will take a few seconds and then it should look something like this. Okay, you can see all the data is there. If it doesn't grab it, it might be an issue, or it might be that this URL for whatever reason is not in that initial href file, and you're good to go. One important thing is, because we didn't get into how this works because it's boring, there's one important thing you have to do so it works. Make sure that the file that you set up has the same format actually, but if it doesn't have the same format, that at least this one is in row D, okay? This one must be in row D for all of this to work, okay? Sorry, column, not row, what the hell? And then everything else will be fine, because the export that you export from Ahrefs will be